Dear student and parent, welcome to MMCOE. Let us see how to complete the admission process very quickly. Here are the steps given. This is the user manual for filling up the admission form and other details. You might have received a link that when clicked you get something like this on your mobile, or in case you are referring to MMCOE website, then if you click on admissions at first year engineering, you will get a step-by-step user manual or a guide. It will open this way. Here you will get, if you click here, you will get the instructions in audio form here as well as anywhere here. Now let us see the steps to complete the admission. Very first thing is you have to apply online before coming to MMCOE in order to complete the admission quickly. So for that, go through the user manual. It is given in detail. The process is very simple. Before filling up the admission form, you have to get certain things ready like your photo, candidate's photo, candidate signature, parent signature. You have to pay college fee either through net banking or by DD. You have to also fill up the anti-ragging form. The links are given here, and then you have to start filling up the admission form once you are done with the first 4 steps. When I click on the anti-ragging form, this page will be seen. Click here to fill up the anti-ragging undertaking. Details required to fill up the anti-ragging undertaking are given in the user manual. Several details will be asked. Your mobile number, your landline number if available is to be given, and other details of college are given here. When you click on the admission form, this form will be displayed. Once again, detailed instructions are given here. Read them. The admission form is very simple. Wherever required, description is given. So fill all the details and check your mobile numbers, contact numbers thoroughly. After filling up the admission form, you have to upload the scanned files, that is student signature, student's parent signature and the photo. These have to be in image form, that is JPG file. Anti-ragging form that you have filled using this particular website recommended by UGC sometimes takes time to receive the affidavit. So as per whatever is the response, select the appropriate option here and submit the form. Ensure that you are submitting the form. You have to click only once, and after filling this form and after completion of the entire admission process, you have to fill up the second form which you can complete after going home. When you come to the college, these are the steps that you have to follow. First thing is registration. The entire process will get over soon if you fill in the application form and then come for the admission. Your documents will be verified. You will be allotted a college permanent registration number. Fee payment will be verified. Data entry will be done. Then online confirmation of admission will be done. You have to submit all the original documents. For that, keep ample number of copies for you, soft as well as hard copies, scanned copies. These are to be saved. You have to collect your iCard, and you will get information about Google Apps account, that is individual account that will be given to your ward by the college. College fees are to be paid through demand draft or by net banking. Details are given in the user manual. Links are given at appropriate locations. Click on them to get further details. Fee structure is given in the user manual as well as on the website. So you have to pay the fee applicable to your category. The fee is to be paid by 2 DDs, or you have to pay by net banking, 2 transactions, 2 separate transactions, college fee as well as deposit against exam fee and other university fee. Remember, college uniform expenses are not included in the above mentioned fees. They will be communicated later. Fee, if is to be paid via net banking, printout of the receipt is to be attached to the original set of documents, and if it is to be paid, if you are going to pay it through DD, then separate challans are to be used. These challans you will get after coming to college for the admission. 2 separate challans, one for examination and one for paying the college fee. So here category wise sample how to fill up the challan is given here. As per your category you have to fill up all the copies of given challan. Hostel accommodation if required, the details are given here. Now let us see about the documents required. How many sets of photocopies are to be brought? We are going to see now. So here 3 to 4 sets will be required depending on your category, and one original set is common for all, and if you belong to TFWS, EWS or JNK, you have to submit in addition to original set 3 more, and the remaining all other students will submit 2 more, altogether 4 or 3 sets. Sequence of documents is given here. You will get, after filling up the form, you will get a page like this. You have to tick mark the documents that you are attaching. As I said earlier, you have to keep ample number of copies with you for your use, because it takes about 1 to 1.5 years to get the original documents back. Out of all the sets that you are submitting, one set is to be attached to this form. This is the application for eligibility. This blank form you will get at the time of admission. So remember, you have to preserve the fee paid and document submission receipts, also DT allotment letter and confirmation letter. These are important documents and they are to be preserved throughout. Also you can collect your I-card after the admission process. You will get individual mail IDs for communication. You will be informed about the same during the admission process. Also remember that your bank account number will be required. Students, that is candidates, own account number. Details are given here. Now in order to fill up the admission form, the links are given here. This is the first form that you have to fill up, and then after completing the admission process you have to fill up this form. In addition to this, the students belonging to reserved category have to submit a scholarship form also. The details will be communicated soon. Regarding academic instructions, which are given at the end of the user manual, read them thoroughly. 2 groups are made and they will have different set of timings, and these groups, the timings are interchanged semester wise, and this is a complete random process. It does not bear or does not indicate any type of merit of student. So because it is going to take a little time until the academics become smooth and regular due to corona pandemic, further updates you will get using this link. So you are requested to save this link for your future use, or you can come once again to MMCOE website to go through or to get access to this site. After filling up the admission form, as I mentioned earlier, you have to submit all your documents. When you click here, this form will open up. You can have a look. All the soft copies of your documents are to be uploaded after finishing the admission process. As well as, please remember, the students belonging to reserved category have to fill up the scholarship form. Details, notice and how to fill up the user manual will be made available to you soon. So this is a quick glimpse of the steps that you have to follow to complete the admission process quickly. Best wishes for the bright future of your ward.